Okay, it's supposed to be better in low light also. So right now I'm in the shop and it's pretty dark in here. I mean, it looks really good from what I could see on the screen, but now let's go in the barn where it's like totally dark. I mean, pitch black dark. Yeah, no, this is, where's the light switch? That was a little too dark, but let's get the excavator out. That's like the ultimate test, the excavator, for audio anyways. Okay, it also has a zoom on it, so this is standard view. Let me turn it off and put the zoom all the way up. I think it's 1.4 or 2x zoom, we'll see. All right, now there's the zoom. Jeez, leave me alone. Sorry. All right, now there's the zoom. Looking at the same spot, it's showing a 1.4 zoom. Here's a quick look at the zooms next to each other. I believe it's optical zoom and not a digital, which is much better if it is. But let's take a quick ride. I'm going to show you a real life application of the zoom right now. Like we got a 42 horse. We got a waterfall down there, by the way. That's probably not running right now. That's awesome. Can you get any of your other equipment back to this car? Okay, so here's a look at it with just no zoom on it. You could see we're too close, you know, we kind of cramped it and you can't really see through the windshield. So now I'm going to switch it over to the 1.4 zoom and we'll get a look at that. 10, 15, 20 acres. Yeah. And it'd be a junk house, a rehab, so we'd live there for a year or two. The wife would mostly rehab the house or what your Fangorn forest. I'd get anything in here, whatever it was, and I'd do the outside work, like set it up for deer hunt. Yeah. So I'd put it. Okay, definitely a much better option here in a situation like this. So I could see the zoom having some uses out in the field. Finally working our way up to a place that we could build a house on. I owed her a house for her putting up with me just to get the land all them years, you know. Let's try it up here. All right, no music now. More on the accelerator, and then you guys are outside. Rock and roll, baby. Cutting some dirt. So if you guys caught my last couple videos, I've got several things sold already. I had 2 deer blinds that I hadn't used yet. Got them spoken for. I got that military trailer that I really never used. I got 2 guys potentially coming to look at it, and then I got a stump bucket that I never used. I was going to test it out with the skid steer, but after using both machines, I've had it for like a year or 2. I just find that it's just going to be a lot easier pulling trees with the excavator. So got that sold, most likely anyways. Alright, we'll keep digging a little dirt here.